Now we're gonna install the shelves. Best way to do this on the return walls, since we have them at 36 inches, is take this joist and set the inside, not the longer end, but the shorter end on the inside slots. Take this, slot it in. That's a good measuring stick for how you're gonna put the shelves in. So here are the shelves. This is the short end. You slide it into the hole and you just slot it in and drop it down. Like that. There are holes for each of these spaced out 18 inches. You just slot all those in once you've got the spacing correct. Now I'm gonna do the back wall, which is actually 40 inches, so it's gonna be on the long side. So on this long end. The long end. Grab your shelf. Slot it in. Jiggle around a little bit, it'll slide in, and then you can just drop it in on all the other shelves.